Good morning, Munnar. This is wild Kerala. From the coast, we drove up to the Nilgiris and the Western Ghats, and this is what we get in the monsoon season. It's a bit rough to drive up in the monsoons, but it's all worth it with these wild cascading waterfalls every now and then. This being one of the biggest. It's almost an angry waterfall. Look at the water, amount of water coming down in volumes, cascading down into that river, which is a wild whitewater river. The slopes have numerous tea estates, mostly belonging to Tata Tea, I believe. Kerala is really endowed with lovely tourist attractions. Yesterday, we went to the Eravikul National Park, where the Nilgiri tahr, a rare mountain goat, resides, and the waterfalls there were also unimaginable. We saw the highest peak in South India, Anamudi, and actually drove up it a little bit, as the foothills provide a little bus service up the hill, and it was fantastic. Today we drive from here to Periyar, which is also called Thekkady. Let's see what we have as natural wonders waiting for us.